Get smacked up. Run up on me wrong. Get your ass shook. Now I got the fucking gat. Run up in your house and I smack you with the bat. I'm taking all your money. Boy, you looking funny. You laugh at me once, I'll take your fucking sonny.
Yo, what you gotta say?
You shake your fucking cousins love before I fucking run them on them.
Come on, give him a chance. 1, 2.
Go, bitch.
1, 2.
It's your chance.
Yo, I'll come with the Glock, put a shot in your ass, watch your body drop, you and up. I don't give a fuck, man, you bet you call the cops. I got shot, look like you're drinking antifreeze. Come at you, fuck, you look like my Annie's fucking underpants. What's with this shit, man? You look ugly. Yeah, I know you're flashing your fucking tummy. Are you gay? I don't even know. It's the end of the day. Shut the fuck up, listen to the real MC, that's me. Yeah, I know I stutter and I lose my words sometimes, but guess what? I'm only 17 and you're a grown man, bitch.
Bro. I'm swinging off the walls, I'll chop your fucking neck, cut your fucking balls, I'll run in your house, I'll leave you fucking small, stomp your ass down, take you to the floor, bitch, you a whore, you pimping your ass, you a dance motherfucker, I ain't got no cash, stay away from me, you fucking faggot bitch, I'll run up in your house and I'll snatch your fucking bitch.
Yo, best thing is, I ain't got a bitch, but guess what, I fucked yours, now she on my tip.